Hello! In today's video, we are going to see how to crochet this cute little pillow which can be used for your dolls. Let's get directly into the video. I'm going to use this plushy yarn called Blankie for this pillow, and I'm using a 7 mm hook. I'm starting with a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, now I have made 10 chains and one more chain. Now total 11 chains. Now second from the hook, I'm doing a single crochet. So I'm inserting into the chain, the hook into the chain, grabbing the yarn, and then you have 2 loops and you yarn over and pull through both the loops. That is how you do a single crochet. Into the chain, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Into the chain, grab the yarn, and then you keep doing this until you reach the last chain. Here we have 1 row of single crochet. I'm going to have 3 rows for this pillow, and I'll show you how I stitch them together. So in the second row, I'm doing a chain 1 and then a single crochet into each of the stitches. It is the same procedure. Insert and yarn over, pull through both the loops. So you have 2 rows of single crochet. This is how it looks. At the end, I have made 1 chain and then continuing with the single crochet. So totally I'm going to have 3 rows of single crochet with those base of 10 chains that I did. So I'm going to continue until I reach the end, and this is how it looks when I reached the end. So I'm going to leave a tail there sufficient to stitch them together, and I'm going to cut this yarn. Now I'm going to use a needle to stitch them together. I'll show you how I will fold it to make it look like a rectangular pillow for the doll. So I'm going to fold this. This is how it looks like, a stretch of fabric, and I'm going to fold it like that and then stitch them together. So you're going to fold it so you have 3 sides to stitch. You'll have to stitch them together 1 stitch at a time. I'll show you how I do that. So both the sides together like that, and you stitch them. So you have 3 sides to stitch as you're folding the fabric like that. And once you have stitched all the 3 sides together, you don't need a fiber filling for this because it's a plushy yarn. You have to secure it properly and then cut it out. You have to be very careful when you handle these plushy yarns because you have to secure them properly. This is how it turned out to be, and I'll show you how it looked on the bed of the doll. So thank you so much for watching, and if this video was helpful, Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.